so this customer's used me about 2 times previously in this house and in her business. She moved to a new place. She's renting this one out. Okay, so basically she has me every about 9 months, and the house generally is in good shape as far as the carpet, well maintained. They have the best carpet cleaner come through here. That's me. Anyway, so she had a puppy in recent months, and they did a little bit, or the puppies did a little bit. So we got a little bit of pet stains here and there on the upstairs. Other than that, we got this room right here, and you got, the bed's been there for a long time, as long as she's been here. So you can tell that the fiber. Let me see if I can get some light on here. The fiber, here is nice and new looking. Right around here, where you get all the traffic. So you have that transition. So I always let the customer know that it will look better, but you can't make worn fiber into new fiber. So there still will be a little transition there, but the blend will definitely be better. You won't have that darkness and stuff. So. Couple closets. Okay. My favorite, stairs. I'm not serious on that, guys. I don't like stairs, but I don't fight it either. The more you resist, the more it persists. So if I start griping about it too much, probably every job's going to be a stair job. Okay, and we got this room here. She was contemplating whether or not to even do this room because it's not that bad. And it was just a guest room, but then I walked over and noticed a little spot there, and I'm not sure what that is. And she changed her mind. She said, let's go ahead and do it. And this is the main problem room. Now this is where the dog had did its thing throughout this room here. So I'm gonna go ahead and treat these stains with some Undoes It. I am going to do a comparison. See, this isn't a wool rug, but there is a new product that I got. It's called Woolzyme, and it's a wool-safe pet stain removal, guys. To me, that's golden. Haven't been able to use it effectively yet because the job that I used, I just got a little bit at the bottom. Tried it out on some wool carpets, and I wasn't successful with it, but it wasn't the product because I used my regular pet stain removal, and it didn't do anything. The product was set, or the pea stains were set, so that was it. So it wasn't a fair break for the Woolzyme. But I'm gonna do some live kind of comparison as I'm doing this job on the stain, and see if the Woolzyme is actually effective to remove stains. You're not going to see whether it'll damage wool or not because this is not wool. But I think later I got some wool rugs, and I'm going to go ahead and spray spot and see if it changes the color at all, which I'm sure it doesn't because it has the wool safe. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me get started. Okay, so she said that she thought these stains were urine, little spots. So this is Undoes It right here. Just gonna... They say to let this stuff sit for an hour, and for heavy odor problems, I would suggest doing that. But just for staining, I let it sit for about half hour and does the job. Actually, this stuff Usually disappears it on contact, but okay, so now this is that product, Woolzyme. I did some research online, trying to find something. I had a wool rug to do, and had urine stains and stuff, and so I did some search and found this company. The customer service there, the person I talked to, is really nice, helpful, and actually shot me out a bottle for free next day to try out. But unfortunately, the rug wasn't a good candidate for the effectiveness of this. So, Woolzyme. Okay, so this is okay. You see how the disappears at the undoes it. Now there's some Woolzyme here. There you go. So as far as removing the stains on a carpet that is a good candidate, you can tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat an area. Let's see. Let me treat the far spot right here with the enzyme. Then, when I'm done extracting, I just want to make sure that the stain's gone, and it's not lightening up from the spray itself. Okay. So yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum, and then get to cleaning. Pre-scrubbing the stairs. I already sprayed everything. I scrubbed upstairs. I like this tool right here. It's just speedy and small. great for pre-scrubbing stairs. If you don't have one of these guys, I'm asking why. I don't get it. So it's already proven that the cleaning industry is a recession-proof industry. We're still going to have business. You know, cleanliness is just a necessity. So now it's also proven that the cleaning industry is also these times. I don't want to say the word because they won't let me monetize it. These times, proof. Yeah, it was really slow at the beginning, first week, and it's been picking up ever since. People get more comfortable. So this is the room with all the pet stains. I haven't scrubbed it yet. I'm about to scrub it with the multi-wash. But as you can tell, stains are gone. Okay, and that one that I treated over there on the end, something right there, is gone. Final results when I'm going to extract, you know, make sure there isn't anything left over. But yeah, this is what proper pet treatment does for you. Enzyme-based cleaners, spot removals, and a lot of time peroxide-based. So I usually use 20 volume peroxide, but I can't get it nowadays. For the guys that are new in the business, when I go back over it like that, it's not just for the design, because it looks cool. It's dry strokes, and it picks up the maximum amount of moisture that's left from the first pass. Alright guys, all finished up. Stairs came out great. Room came out great. This room came out great. All the stains came out. Again, this customer really takes care of their stuff, so yeah, if she would have waited a long time, you know, some of the pet stains, maybe it would have been a little harder, but it's all about what products they're using to treat the pet stains with, how long it's been there. And she said she was using something, but she couldn't remember what it was. So I let her know, there's a possibility you could have set those stains, but luckily she didn't. All right, so that's upstairs. Downstairs, guest room, beautiful. Now this is the office. This is the one with all the pet stains. All the pet stains came out. That one over there I wanted to keep an eye on when I did the test on the woolzyme. So the enzyme took care of the stain, And now it's for how safe this product is on wool. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and treat one of my wool rubs darker, right? And see if it does any kind of color change or anything like that. And then certify this sucker as being a safe wool rug cleaning pet treatment. Okay, so it's been a day. I figure I might as well continue this video. So this is the spot that I treated with the woolzyme, and I don't see any difference in color. No lightning, anything weird. So I think it's safe. Alright, so that concludes it for this video. I don't know if I already said that, but if not, please like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.